Hello, and thank you for watching Sleepy Storytime. If this is your first time here, you are very welcome. If you've been here before, we're glad you've returned. Take a moment now to truly settle in. Adjust your pillow. Let your blanket rest comfortably over you. Allow your body to recognize that this time is just for rest. Before we begin, here is tonight's gentle question. If you could leave one thing behind from today, a worry, a thought, or a feeling, what would it be? You may share it in the comments or simply release it quietly to yourself. Now take a slow breath in and out. Again, in and out. There is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to fix. You're in ancient Arabia, long ago, in a city shaped by time, sand, and stories. You awaken just before dawn, not suddenly but gradually, as though consciousness is returning to you in soft waves. Your eyes remain closed for a moment as you listen. The world around you is quiet, wrapped in that gentle stillness that exists only between night and morning. A breeze drifts through sheer curtains, brushing your skin with cool air. Somewhere nearby, fabric moves softly. The scent of warm stone and faint incense lingers in the room. When you finally open your eyes, the sky beyond the window glows in deep shades of blue and silver. You sit up slowly. There is no rush. As you place your feet on the floor, you feel grounded, steady, present. Yet beneath that calm, you sense something else. A quiet invitation, a feeling that today is not like other days. You walk toward the balcony and step outside. The city stretches beneath you, peaceful and unmoving. Domes and rooftops rest under fading stars. Oil lamps burn low, their flames steady and patient. The streets are empty, as if the city itself is still dreaming. You rest your hands on the cool stone railing and breathe deeply. As you do, you notice it. Far beyond the city walls where the desert begins, a faint golden light appears. It pulses slowly, not bright, not urgent, just present. It disappears, then returns. You feel no fear, only curiosity. The day passes gently. You move through familiar spaces, quiet courtyards, shaded halls, cool rooms where sunlight filters through carved screens. Time feels slower here. Meals are simple. Conversations are few. The golden light remains in your thoughts, steady and calm. As evening approaches, the sky warms into hues of amber and rose. Lanterns flicker to life throughout the city one by one. You know where you are meant to go. Night settles fully as you pass through the city gates. The moon rises full and luminous, lighting the dunes with silver clarity. Each step feels effortless, as though the ground itself supports you. Your breathing slows naturally. With every step, the sounds of the city fade behind you, replaced by silence. Vast, open, and kind. The golden glow appears again, clearer now, guiding you forward. After a long, unmeasured time, you arrive at an oasis. Palm trees sway gently, their leaves whispering in the breeze. Still water reflects the moon perfectly, creating the illusion of another sky beneath your feet. At the center, a small fire burns, calm and steady. Beside it sits an old storyteller. He does not look surprised to see you.
You have traveled far.
He says softly. You sit across from him, feeling warmth from the fire seep into your body.
I have watched many people pass through this desert.
He continues.
Most are searching. Few are resting.
The storyteller begins his tale. He speaks of a traveler who carried heavy bags filled with worries, believing they were necessary for survival. One by one, the traveler learned to set them down. He speaks of a queen who ruled wisely but could not sleep until she learned to trust the night. He speaks of deserts that appear empty, yet hold deep wells beneath the surface. As he talks, the fire dims slightly. The stars seem closer. His voice blends with the sound of wind through the palms. Your body grows heavier. Your thoughts begin to drift. The storyteller pauses.
You do not need to carry everything with you.
He says. He gestures toward the water. You look into the oasis and see reflections, moments from your own life, floating like images on the surface. Some are heavy, some are tender. One by one, they fade. The water becomes still. You lie back on a woven rug beneath the palms. Above you, the sky stretches endlessly. Your breathing deepens. Your muscles soften. The desert begins to dissolve into darkness. You are floating now, supported, held, weightless. You drift over quiet cities, sleeping homes, peaceful streets. Nothing asks for your attention. Nothing pulls you back. Time loses meaning. The journey is complete. Slowly, gently, you return. You are in your bed. The room around you is quiet. Your body is warm and heavy. There is nothing left to solve, nothing left to become. Sleep takes you fully now. Good night.